I will be better, definitely. So that it was a master lesson for me that season. It's normally so like a manager when you are 8 or 9 years old, to have a season a little bit not the success than before. That can happen. You just learn about that, and the only regret I had myself is I was in the table, knowing that our problems in the boxes don't solve it. That is what I should do to in advance to correct that, but it's part of our growth. So I never can imagine in Barcelona, Munich, and when I arrived here, knowing I know absolutely everything. So I try to adapt the play as much as possible, and I did it, and I think it will be better. I will be now. I feel I will be better. So that is a more interesting year for me, like a manager, to grow to handle these kind of situations. I didn't complain, and I didn't give up. So obviously I'm disappointed after the game what happened, but immediately I see what we have done to improve. That's why I like a little bit what I enjoyed that this year. But still we have a lot of beautiful things to fight in that season. So to qualify for the Champions League is so important. Will be a huge success from my point of view in that year, in that season. And of course we had the semi-finals for the FA, the Cup. So that's why still we have a lot of things to do.